Obese people are exposed to ridicule and humor more often than members of the general public, but it can be a matter of grave suffering for the concerned person. When we talk about a fat person, most of us imagine a fat boy immersed in a pool of creams and cookies. While this is a very stereotypical image of obesity, many obese people do their best to reduce their weight and even starve themselves by skipping meals. Quite a few of the lose weight fast diets focus upon healthy food intake and exercising. If you are overweight, perhaps you have already tried many of the diet plans available in the market that claim to help you in losing weight. But nevertheless, you are here because none of the methods has proven to be successful for you. Well, first of all, you have to understand that if you want to cut down calories by making drastic changes in your diet, then you will need to do a lot of hard work and at the same time be dedicated as well. Some of the lose weight fast diets that will help you in losing weight fast are: you have to increase your fruit and vegetable intake. This will not only refill your body with most of the required nutrients, but it will also help you in losing those extra pounds. Leave the foods that are high on calories alone, and increase your intake of citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruit. The main thing is that you have to cut down on all of your fatty foods and eat as much fruit and vegetables as you can. Remember that drinks like alcohol and caffeinated beverages also contribute significantly to your daily caloric intake. Omit these beverages, and you can increase your intake of healthier drinks such as fresh fruit juices and herbal teas. In addition to that, drink a lot of water as it will help in flushing out the toxins from your system and speed up the process of weight loss. Most of us are overweight because of processed food consumption. Today's youngsters are die-hard fans of items like burgers and pizzas, all of which have a very high fat content. If you want to lose weight fast through your diet, then you need to self-regulate yourself and give up processed food as soon as possible. Someone once told me not to eat anything that comes in a bag or a box. I don't know if I would go that far, but I think you get the picture. You want to eat locally grown organic foods as much as possible. You will be surprised to know that you can lose about 10 pounds in a year just by doubling your fiber intake. If you eat fiber-rich food, you will always feel full, and you will not crave for food after every couple of hours. What you can immediately do is to increase your consumption of fiber by 25 grams a day and start observing the results. You may be quite happily surprised. Apart from all these lose weight fast diets, one more thing that should gain topmost priority in your list is to follow a strict exercise regimen. Exercises not only helps you in burning calories, it also aids in boosting your metabolism levels. We all have a tendency to lose muscle mass as we age. Exercise can help to offset that muscle loss. An added benefit of increased muscle mass is that muscle requires more energy to burn, so we naturally and safely lose more weight. Isn't that great? Now you can truly discover the slimmer you.